My front tire was right beside his back tire.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
Close. Could not have been better. Yes. I'm done. I'm done. Yes. Perfect. Keep going. Walking into the trails right now, and we are going to have an exciting day. We've got Trevor coming down, Bill, and a few other people, and it is going to be good. I'm excited. I think Bill might already be here, so we got to get down here, get things uncovered, get things watered, and just get ready for a good day. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you in the back. Got back here, and they were already here. Trevor's riding now, though. Yeah. Nice. Got Bill over there.
He owes me.
He owes you what?
Yeah, X up on the second, X up on that, no footer the
third one.
Oh, you got that. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna. You guys didn't let me get your warm-up run, so I gotta get something now that I'm here.
They got me crashing in a berm, and Bill freaking
Yeah,
Donkey Kong in the...
I wanted that. I needed that part. We missed out on vital parts of the story. Yeah.
There you go, Bill.
Was that your run?
Yeah.
Whew. Uphill is fast today. I'm psyched that Trevor and Bill are here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, that was cold. God, that was horrible. Ugh. Worst knack ever. Oh my goodness, what is wrong? Damn it. Freaking churching it up. Churching it up, man. Yeah, Bill. Yeah, Bill. That's awesome. What's wrong with it?
Everything.
No. The only thing wrong with that was your attitude about it at the end.
Bar.
You gonna bar it? I haven't done that this year yet.
You do it, I'll do it.
Dude, it's scary. I haven't done it this year.
You'll throw it first, T.
I haven't yet, though. I got bigger bars. I'm scared of it. Yeah.
Ah!
Get it, Trevor. Said if he does the bar, I'll do the bar.
Ah, my pedals got all f***ed up.
Ah.
I landed center of my pedals instead of f***ing on my tips.
Ah. I'm getting tired, dude. Bar spin incoming. Get it, Trevor. Ah.
I got nose heavy.
I'll give you that one. You were nose
Yeah, I was nose diving on that one.
Get it, Trevor. But I really don't want to do the bar.
Bitch!
Haha. Had it. Had it. Ah. That was it too. It's there.
Why am I afraid of that though?
I don't know. Feel the exact same way. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of glad you're not doing it yet.
Why?
Because I really don't want to.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it.
Well, if you don't, that means I don't have to. And that's nice.
I'll try it again.
I know you can. That's the thing. Yeah! Crap! Good work, man.
Got that on film?
I did.
Okay, because that might go in bed.
I don't know if I got it good enough for a video.
Okay.
We'll have to film it good if we're gonna do that. I gotta follow you up now. Huh! Thank you, Trevor.
I knew you were gonna do it first try.
Yeah, well, it's still scary. Like, it doesn't change how scary it was. So psyched on that bar. I was scared to do that all year until Trevor got it when we made a deal. Sometimes you gotta make deals, right?
Yep.
Feel good though, right?
Yeah, no, it's awesome. Having fun as hell. I haven't hit dirt jumps in a long time.
It is a hot, hot day to trails today, but it is a good one. Psyched that everyone's out. Bill's out shredding. Yeah. A little bit. Definitely can't see that one. Jeez! Flying. Ah! Dude, you are hauling. Perfect timing. Yeah.
I'd rather hit main than downhill, I think.
Yeah, at least spend your energy doing main and downhill.
And I don't like that berm, jumping into that berm, especially after the first thing I saw you do today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of nervous.
Yeah.
Even.
Yeah! Yeah.
Oh, wrong one. Dang it, the first one was so good too. Oh, God. My brain, man. It's so hard to comprehend.
Yeah.
Taking off opposite hands and feet, especially when you're trying to do both of them. We're gonna do left foot, right hand, then left hand, right foot.
It's like a dance move.
I know, but it's always,
You need to learn your choreography.
I'm trying to figure out my choreography right now. I need a coach. There we go. Hopefully they were extended enough. Whew. I like that. Sweet. Next trick I wanted was with your phone. I want to bar hop the third one. Probably should just do one warm
I only got
up, bar
8,
hop
you know?
on the step
Yeah.
up, and then just go straight into it.
You won't.
Joe,
Oh, I
laugh it
will.
off nature. That's
I
a trick.
definitely think that I got that on the third one, so we should be good. Ah! Ah! Oh, no. Damn it. I did it. I just don't know if it was good enough yet.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Why?
That was your best one yet though.
Why does it have to happen like that?
Your pedal moved a little bit.
Yeah, my pedals freaking moved. I totally missed it. But Trevor and Bill both made it through Maine, so we're gonna film them going through Maine and having some fun. I put way too much into that bar hop just now. I'm dead. I don't know if it's the heat or what, but oh my goodness, I just feel like garbage today. But Trevor and Bill are killing it. Alan's gonna kill it on Maine. And as soon as we eat, I'll come back and I'll try to kill it on Maine too. But for now, since we only have a few minutes, we'll film these guys. Yeah, Trevor. All the way to the back. Awesome. Yeah. There he goes. Yeah, perfect. Whoa! What was that supposed to be? Ah.
X up, and the 1 foot X up good, but then my no foot that late X up was weak.
Yeah.
Turn down was, I hit my knee on something. Finally can clear them. Dude, I died last time I tried to jump these.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
How?
Well, I didn't like get seriously hurt, but I definitely like was not ready to jump them.
You're doing good today. That's for sure. I'm just excited to ride them with you guys. What's your thoughts on those shoes now that you've ridden them?
Second time riding in them. Love it because you bail off of them and with the ankle braces and the shoes, you don't feel it. You rock right away.
Dang Boy Scout over here.
That goddamn Boy Scout gonna make a freaking fire, as Catfish would say.
We love you, Catfish.
We do.
Dude, and then I come over to my camera on my phone and I'm just disappointed.
Yeah. You'll have that.
It's so bad. I need
What
to
is
get a new
yours?
one. This is a 3-year-old iPhone 8. And it's just bad. New phone in a couple months for sure. That's a quality
pulling
log
too much
cabin
of the
you
third
got
one.
there built, Trevor.
Yeah, I learned from the best.
Who's that?
Cody Michael Chitwood.
No.
Otherwise known
Where you at?
as-
Hopefully that starts by the time we get done with our main sesh. Or maybe it started before our main session
Hopefully
ends.
it's not burnt out by the time we're done riding.
I don't know if you can.
For future reference, we'll say if we're gonna do middles too, maybe.
That sounds like a good idea.
I can go big righty. We can have people going in the middle and left and right. Okay. jumped the first one, my back tire, or my front tire was right beside his back tire. Oh my God, that's awesome.
That's how they race.
You see me coming? No, I didn't. You were going and you crossed right as I was jumping the one where it was perfect. I was yelling, I was like, keep going, because I knew it was perfect.
Right. I heard you yelling too. I didn't know what you was yelling for though.
Him, because he was coming through middles, and I'm like, don't stop, keep going, it's perfect.
Yelling, and I'm sitting
He
there
has no choice. He's yelling with no brakes.
Yeah.
It was so hard to jump the first one because I was so close to Trevor. We was on the first lip at the same time.
That is awesome. Could not have been better. Yes! Perfect! Keep going! Yes!
You were at the bottom. I just jumped. I heard your tires.
You guys are close! Could not have been better. Yes! I'm done.
Yeah, I left up over the middle and I was like, no!
Yes, man. Could not be better. What a perfect way to end the session. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you guys haven't. And hopefully you'll be here for tomorrow's video because of that. See you later and goodbye.